In this video, I will guide you through how to delete your Roblox account permanently. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Let's start the video. First, open your Roblox app. Then go to the More option at the bottom right corner. Now here, scroll down and go to Settings. Now go to Privacy and Content Restriction. Now here, go to this Account Deactivation and Deletion option. Here, if you want a temporary break, then click here. Or if you want to permanently delete your account, then click Initiate. Then again tap on Initiate. Now scroll down and tap on Support Form in the Account Deletion section. Here you will get a form. Now fill up this form with that Roblox account information which you want to delete. Then select the option as I am selecting. Now in the issue describe box, type I want to delete my account permanently. Then tap on continue. Now complete this human verification by solving this puzzle. Now your account deletion request has been submitted. Roblox will review all the information you provide, then delete your account permanently. You will get a mail about the update. And that's how you can delete your Roblox account permanently. If the video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.